What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing this active Autowerke Cat downpipe on this 21 Toyota Supra. As you can see, we already installed the AFE Takeda exhaust in the last video, so I'm going to put that at the end of the video there for you to check out. But that sounds awesome, so with this, it should sound even better. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the engine cover. It just pops right off. Set this aside. And then we're going to disconnect the two oxygen sensor connectors right on top here. We're going to lower the pipe down with the sensors installed.
Okay.
Then we're going to pop the wires out of the wire hold downs. They just unclip from there. Next we're going to raise the car on the hoist. Alright, so you can see I got the O2 sensor wires just hanging there, so they're going to come off with the pipe, and you can see the V-band clamp up there we're going to disconnect, and then we're just going to disconnect it here and remove the stock downpipe. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just loosen this 15mm nut on this clamp. Install. Next we're going to remove these nuts. They're 13mm.
Got him!
Next we're going to loosen the 13mm bolt on the V-band clamp. Alright, so we completely removed this bolt from the V-band clamp, and then we pried the bracket off the two studs, and then the pipe is ready to come out. Make sure your O2 sensors don't get hung up on anything. And there you have it. Alright, so here's a side-by-side comparison of the stock Cat versus the high-flow Cat. As you can see, this Cat is much larger. So next, we're going to swap the O2 sensors. Now, they're not interchangeable, so you want to make sure you put them back in the same spots where you take them out.
It doesn't hurt to put a little anti-seize on the sensor when you're reinstalling it.
Don't touch this spot. But that one Alright, so you can see we got the V-band clamp back around, the new downpipe, and like I said, the O2 sensors are already installed, so we fished the wires up through the engine bay. Now we're ready to put the rest of the exhaust back on. Alright, so we got the V-band clamp back on the downpipe. We reinstalled the exhaust onto the downpipe. We put this little nut in here, I forgot to mention. It's easier to pull this nut out. On the stock exhaust, this is all one piece, so you want to take this nut off so you can slide the exhaust off the downpipe. Since this is the aftermarket AFE exhaust, we were just able to unbolt this whole section, pull it off the downpipe, no problem. So we got this all buttoned up down here. We're going to lower the car, plug in the O2 sensors, and fire it up. Alright, we got the O2 sensors plugged back in, we got the engine cover on, now we're ready to fire it up. Do on any exhaust install is start the vehicle up, put it back up in the air, and check it for leaks. Alright guys, it's giveaway time. Now I'm going to get a little ambitious. This is a subscriber giveaway. I'm at 17,600 subscribers. I want to get to 25,000 to give this away. So this is what you're going to get. It's awesome AFE tactical backpack with a power pack. It powers the backpack. The backpack actually has a USB and aux cord in it, and this powers the backpack so you can charge your phone while it's in the backpack. Super awesome. Next, we're going to give away the topped on code reader. I did a review of this in one of my videos. I'll post that in the comments. It's an awesome code reader, color graph, does all kind of stuff. You'll be able to scan and diagnose your own check engine lights. Third, we have this Autowerke Super Cap 2 jump pack. I also reviewed this in one of my videos. It's an awesome product. It's a jump box, but with a super capacitor, it basically takes the smallest amount of juice from your dead battery, recirculates it, amplifies it, and then it's able to start your car with the juice that was already in your battery. So like I said, 25,000 subscriber giveaway. Now I have had issues trying to do giveaways on YouTube. I can't get a hold of the winners. So I'm going to need you to follow me on Instagram, because that's where I'm going to announce the winner. And I'll be able to contact you through DM on Instagram. So if you want to just follow me the day of and then unfollow me, that's great. I want you all to have the option to win this awesome prize pack. It's going to be sweet. So I'm really excited about this giveaway. 25,000 subscribers. Alright, so that was it for the Active Autowerke downpipe install. If you have a rack and the proper tools, this job should take you right around an hour. It's pretty easy. The V-band clamp, little tricky to get on and off, but other than that, it's pretty straightforward. It sounds fantastic, especially with that AFE exhaust. That really helped. But just doing a downpipe itself will give you increased horsepower and a better sound. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for checking out my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and have a great day.